Hey guys, it's me again, the dimly lit Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Today we're demonstrating a unit uh, from my friends at TLC Restorations in Milton, Wisconsin, and I get the impression that this is a very, very high-end, high-profile company. So if you live anywhere in Milton, Wisconsin, and you need some work done on your car, I think TLC would be a great place to take your car. It sounds like they really got their stuff together. Big organization with many departments, and they sound like they're really on the ball. So this is out of a '68 Chevy Impala. Now, one thing I'll say, this unit is a 4-speaker unit. It's got a left-right balance and a front-rear fader, but it only has one input wire for the radio. So I've seen a few different types of system. Delco systems containing an 8-track player between 1967 and 1970. It's an absolute nightmare cluster F as far as scrambling around to meet different requirements in different cars and stuff. But the way this unit is currently wired from the factory, it appears to be used with a mono radio, and so you're only going to get output on one side using a mono radio. Now, I have seen Delco units come in with relays affixed to the back to switch the speakers to where the tape deck will go through all 4 speakers, but that's outside the scope of my job. My job is to just fix what comes in. How it interfaces with the rest of the car is up to the mechanic. I can't help with that because I'm not there, and I don't try to help. I don't troubleshoot the car. I just fix the unit. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure everything works before we send her back. On a Delco, it takes about 5 seconds for the sound to come up. Okay, now we're going to take a look at our output level meters, make sure that everything is working like it should. Let's see. Get a little lighting problem there. All right, I'm going to work the left-right balance. All the way left. All the way right. Left. Right. Okay, now I'm going to work the fader. All the way front. All the way rear, all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, now we're going to balance all the speakers. We're going to switch tracks. Alrighty. Okay, we'll pull the tape out. Now, if the radio is working properly and the car and everything is wired properly, the radio will come back on when you pull the tape out by itself. The speaker and power switching actually occurs inside the 8-track, and it's the 8-track that determines what the speakers connect to. Without a tape, the speakers connect to the radio. With a tape, they connect to the 8-track. And as I mentioned before, if you don't get all 4 speakers out of the 8-track, then you need to add some relays or something, whatever mechanics do to make the speakers work on all 4. To make all 4 speakers work with the 8-track, because the way it's currently wired, and this is factory wiring, there's only one wire that connects to the radio output, so that means it's a mono radio, and something needs to be done to get the speakers, all 4 speakers working on the 8-track. So, that being stated, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. See if I can get rid of some of these buttons here and go back to me. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or car use, I'm your guy. Even though I'm kind of dimly lit right now, there's a reason for that. You can reach me for paying repair work only at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.